G-City is like no other business. We use cutting-edge, circular farming-based thinking, using waste as an input and using bioreactors, living things, to process that waste into useful products such as larvae to feed poultry, fish and reptiles, and medicinal mushrooms grown on waste sawdust. In addition, G-City places tremendous emphasis on the healing wisdom of the ancients, combined with the power of modern scientific studies that have proven the efficacy and power of the ancient botanicals. We use the latest AI technology to create potent formulations from the most powerful botanicals. We combine what we call the three pillars of science: ancient botanicals, scientific studies, and artificial intelligence, to outperform our competitors and lead the way in what we term the ancient future. Because of this underlying, genuinely sustainable approach, our products reflect the G-City model with a purity, naturalness, and footprint that will become the hallmark of future businesses. You will find seemingly random products such as frass, an insect waste soil enhancer and plant immune booster. This is a useful side product from our bioreactors, similar to worm castings in application. Due to our strict chemical-free, handcrafted approach and minimal machine processing, our wellness products are luxurious, potent, and chemical-free. From Sigma Plus, a botanical infusion containing adaptogens that help you adapt to challenges and boost your natural energy, through to our Vital Plus product range, which includes Stay Young, rich, restorative, and made soap that replenishes your skin using precious oils such as castor and coconut alongside Ganoderma mushroom extract. The Vital Plus range also offers wild-harvested moringa products and herbal combinations for use as teas or in food. The use of wild or local resources to complement our in-house offerings reflects our openness to the many benign wellness products found in the local region of northern Pakistan, where our farm and production facility, Hillside Farm, is located. Due to this local opportunism, we also offer one of nature's most powerful supplements, Shilajit, from local mountains in the foothills of the Himalayan mountain range. Ancient forests crushed under countless layers of rock over millennia eventually weep Shilajit, which contains an incredible array of minerals and fulvic acids. We also add Shilajit to our frass product to further enhance its soil and plant boosting power. From concept to products, you can rest assured every step in G-City's business model is based on working with, not against, nature. At G-City, you will discover true, guilt-free shopping, not lip service to sustainability that so many businesses promote. In conclusion, G-City represents a truly sustainable model for farming and producing well-designed, beautifully crafted, well-being-related products. We believe wellness begins within, and true healing is supporting the body's natural healing power, not replacing it.